Midea 1.6 cubic feet compact refrigerator is an excellent choice for storing your favorite foods such as meats, fruits, vegetables, seafood, and ice cream for long-term storage. Perfect size with adjustable legs and reversible hinge door allows you to place it in the garage, basement, or bar area with an adjustable thermostat. You can adjust the temperature to the optimum setting for preserving your foods for future use, reducing waste and space in your refrigerator, which makes your life enjoyable. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. An ideal refrigerator for small spaces. Midea is a leading global manufacturer of compact refrigerators, refrigerators, and wine coolers. The Midea compact refrigerator has a streamlined look that will complement any room style or setting. They're perfect for European kitchens, galley kitchens, small apartments, minibars, offices, dorm rooms, bedrooms, nurseries, home theaters, garages, boats, tiny homes, cabins, and RVs. Number 2. Adjustable legs. 2 adjustable front legs can stabilize your refrigerator at different heights, allowing for a snug fit all around your home. Number 3. Quieter and energy saving. The refrigerator is equipped with an advanced compressor that has an Energy Star rating, meaning your refrigerator runs both quietly and efficiently. Number 4. Reversible door hinge. The reversible door can be installed to open either left or right, allowing you to make the most of your space, easily fit in any spot of your room. Number 5. Removable shelves. The refrigerator has removable shelves allowing you to manage its space easily to include larger or odd-shaped items. Number 6. Large storage areas are excellent at chilling beverages and healthy snacks. Produce, however, cannot be used for storing frozen foods or making ice cubes. Number 7. Features adjustable legs and a reversible door that can open from left or right. Minimum. Maximum frozen food section 3250. Number 8. Full 1-year warranty. Number 9. External product dimensions. 17.7 by 18.6 by 19.4 inches. Note, the internal walls of the main compartment are slightly tapered toward the back. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.